In U.S. healthcare, Electronic Prior Authorization, or EPA, is becoming a major direction for payer-provider collaboration.
But behind every EPA workflow, there is one practical challenge: healthcare data still comes in many different formats, from many different systems.
A provider may export CSV or Excel files. An EHR may produce HL7v2 messages. A payer workflow may depend on X12 transactions like 278, 837, or 834. Modern interoperability initiatives often expect FHIR or 4.
The business goal is simple: move data faster and more accurately.
But the technical reality is messy, expensive, and hard to standardize. This is where XBridge comes in. XBridge is a local-first healthcare data transformation tool designed for controlled environments.
It helps teams convert, map, validate, and review healthcare data across legacy formats and modern FHIR workflows, without forcing every transformation through a cloud-only model. With XBridge, you can convert CSV, Excel, JSON, HL7v2, and X12 data into FHIR or 4 resources.
You can also support reverse transformation scenarios when business teams need data back in operational formats.
The mapping engine lets you define how source fields connect to FHIR paths, including normalization, date parsing, value mapping, and payer-provider workflow logic.
For prior authorization and payer workflows, XBridge can help bridge X12-based transactions and FHIR-based expectations.
It is not just a demo converter. It is built for real implementation conversations, custom mappings, validation, private deployment, and controlled data boundaries. The goal is to help teams reduce manual conversion work, shorten integration cycles, and keep raw payloads closer to the customer's environment.
Using XBridge is straightforward. First, load a mapping profile that defines your transformation rules. Then upload or drag in your clinical or administrative files. XBridge processes the data in the browser, shows the generated resources, and lets you review the output. From there, you can validate the result and export a FHIR bundle or another transformed output for downstream testing, integration, or implementation planning. For healthcare organizations, consultants, and technology partners, XBridge helps answer a very practical question: how do we move from fragmented healthcare files to usable, standards-based data without rebuilding everything from scratch? If you are working on EPA, payer-provider interoperability, FHIR adoption, or healthcare data transformation, I'd be happy to connect.